Every once in a while, someone sees my Tormek and they tell me that someone told them that a wet grinder is too slow when you have a lot of steel to remove. So I thought I'd run a little test. If you're a lover of hand tools, you may want to avert your eyes for a second. I'm not sure how dull or damaged your tools get, but I figure if we're going to test this thing, we may as well not mess around, eh? A lot of folks don't know that you can quickly change the grit of the Tormek stone. And no, this is not bad for the stone, but it is good for aggressive grinding tasks like this. I'll be regrinding a 30-degree bevel, and we'll time it so we can see how long it takes. Ready, set, go. What do you say we speed things up a bit? Now I admit a bench grinder might be faster than a wet grinder like this, but the risk is greater. Specifically, the risk of overheating your tool and ruining the edge. You can't do that with a wet grinder like the Tormek. And there it is. All those chips are gone in less than a minute and a half. Now I'm a busy guy, but even I have a minute and a half. Now here's something that you can't do with a bench grinder. We're going to sharpen this chisel by restoring the grinding wheel to its finest setting and going right back to work. I think it'll be helpful to time the grinding and the sharpening functions separately like this, because you only grind once in a while, but you may sharpen frequently depending on how often you use your tools. After another minute 16 on the stone, it's time to hone in the stropping wheel. This new synthetic wheel doesn't need paste, which is pretty awesome. I'd compare the edge I get with it to what I get from my 5,000 grit Shapton ceramic stone. I even like to catch the burr on the back. And the results speak for themselves. Day-to-day sharpening takes about 2 minutes. And we went from this to this in under 3.5. Doesn't seem so slow to me. See you next time. I've been a proud Tormek user for years. I've never seen so many clever innovations from just one small company, and the quality is simply uncompromising. Even if you're not in the market for a new sharpening system, you should check them out and see what they have to offer at the link below this video. There's a reason they're regarded as the best of the best. Wait, don't go yet. If you're new here, please subscribe and remember to ring the bell. I would really appreciate that. Give us a thumbs up, or better yet, leave us a comment. I always read them. And be sure to check out the latest issue of Stumpy Nubs Woodworking Journal. It's always packed with tips, tricks, and tutorials designed to make you a better woodworker.